Good morning, guys. Today is a little bit special because we have been invited to be a judge in my alma mater's event today, which is a debate event in the College of Arts and Sciences of New Year University. It's so exciting because dati, I was just a mere ordinary student, but now, isa na ako sa mga napipiling maging judge sa mga events na dati, audience lang ako. So, samahan niyo ako today as I return to my alma mater, not as a student anymore and not just a professor, but as one of the judges of the school's event. So this is another day in the life of a Gen Z lawyer. Let's go!
Kay ka-attorney pala yan.
Ay, hello po! Ingat po kayo lagi. Pagtanggol niyo po yung Pilipinas.
Your Master of Ceremony, and I will be guiding you throughout today's event.
Addressing the rising mental health demands of the Philippines. The reality we face is that the Philippines remains heavily dependent on a hospital setting.
Patients. Community-based programs, on the other hand, while valuable for awareness and detection,
In barangay health centers, school, workplaces, and local clinics, mental health solutions and social norms. Community-based care honors this principle. Care
Mental hospitals under 60 private psychiatry facilities. It is not simply enough to meet the national
not equal to quality. Just because it is accessible does not mean it provides
Capacity. Here on the negative side say this: quality is always the measure of effectiveness, not accessibility. Here on the
All of your argument for the both houses are being recorded and evaluated properly from.
Thank you guys for that very enlightening debate. To be honest, this is not my field. I am actually a lawyer and I know nothing about mental health. But today you have taught me a lot. I won't delve into the technicalities of the debate, but I think you failed to point out the realities of the real life situations currently in our country. Both of you have proven good points. It's just that I think you have not taken into account the current corruption in our country. Because when you say the hospitals are better, have you considered the funding? It's in general. Physical health pa lang, bagsak na. Paano pa yung mental health? More money or dun tayo sa medyo volunteerism? Of course, dun tayo sa may pera. Let's be real, di ba? Kaya tama yung sinabi ng third guidance counselor po si Ma'am eh. Dun po ba tayo sa may pera or sa Ayun, yun lang. So, thank you so much for the very impressive debate. I'm very entertained. Thank you so much.
Parang gano'n nahimik sa gilid ko. Okay, so first things first is congratulations to everyone.
Naka-record to? Naka-record?
Kay ka-attorney pala yan.
Ay, hello po! Ingat po kayo lagi. Pagtanggol niyo po yung Pilipinas.
Hey guys! So, tapos na yung debate ng mga students ulit. I was quite impressed. Ang gagaling ng mga bata. The speeches were really well researched. I was really impressed. I hope I get to see more students go on debates like this because, you know, it improves their critical thinking. In a generation that everything is powered by AI, we need students who could think on their own and prove certain points and use logic in real life situations such as kanina about nga sa mental health where there are ngayon ko lang nalaman that there are two types of approach on this mental health treatment, which is community-based and hospital-based. Both parties really had good points, but in conclusion din kasi sometimes it's difficult to decide which is better because both sides have negatives. If only we were as perfect as other countries where there are less corruption and their hospitals are really well funded, their healthcare is the top priority of their government, then it would have been an easy choice. But since we are in a tough spot. The Philippines is in a tough position because of the corruption that has been going on. It's really difficult. But it's good that students are talking about this. And maybe someday when things get a little bit better, then everything that the students have talked about would have better real life application. Right now, I'm just in the car working on some paperworks that I need to finish. And I also have to send billings to my clients. Kailangan maningil. That's also another thing about a practicing lawyer. Kailangan marunong kang maningil. Kasi kapag hindi ka marunong maningil, you can't pay your bills, you know. Well, while it is true that lawyering is not a money-making venture, this is also not a charitable institution. You have to be paid for your services as well. Wag naman yung garapalan na, wag maging greedy. Anyway, trabaho muna ako. Tanong ko lang, sir, if available kayo for the meeting. If ever you have questions as well, tungkol dun sa case na gusto niyo i-file.
Wait. Gagawin mo doon. So, kasi magba-backward ka para hindi ka mawawala sa fighting stance mo. Side, backward, side. Ganun na yung gagawin. Huwag mo siyang i-attract. Backward, side, backward. Huwag patulong. Straight.